Welcome in, everyone. So today we are totally breaking through that morning monotony with an explainer on Jamie Oliver's vibrant, super colorful smoothie bowl. Look, if you're like me, just a girl trying to juggle a million things before 9 a.m., breakfast usually becomes this rushed afterthought, right? But today we are diving into some source material that literally proves you can whip up a breakfast that's fun, absolutely beautiful, and just full of life. Because, let's be real for a second, mornings can feel incredibly repetitive. I mean, how often do we just stumble into the kitchen and settle for the exact same uninspired bowls of whatever we can grab? The whole idea here is breaking that exact monotony. We're going to see how to inject some serious fun and flavor into your daily routine and actually do it without adding any extra stress. It's actually amazing how we can completely flip our bad habits with just a few tiny adjustments. So often we just fall into this rut of buying processed sugary cereals, and then what do? We throw away bananas just because they've gone a bit brown. Well, let's put a hard stop to that. Instead of tossing those bananas, simply peel them, bag them, and pop them in the freezer. Boom! It totally eliminates food waste and swaps out those artificial sugars for beautiful, natural goodness. All right, moving right along to phase one, the perfect base blend. Okay, so here is your super simple, completely affordable lineup. Just drop 2 of those overripe, frozen bananas straight into a blender. Then add 30 grams of porridge oats, just a single pinch of cinnamon, and about 300 milliliters of some gorgeous yogurt. That's roughly 3/4 of a standard tub, by the way. And I have to say, combining that slightly overripe, almost toffee-like frozen banana with just a touch of cinnamon, it is an absolute game changer for flavor. It creates this rich, comforting profile right out of the gate. Now, you might be wondering about the oats. Well, they aren't just in there for thickness. They actually provide slow-release energy. They're a staple most of us already have sitting in our cupboards, but they really do the heavy lifting of keeping that dreaded mid-morning energy crash completely at bay. Since they're packed with complex carbohydrates, they're literally designed to keep you feeling full and energized all the way until lunch. And here's the best part. 20 seconds. Yep, you heard that right. That is literally all it takes to blast this in your blender and create a gorgeous, smooth foundation ready to go. It doesn't get more simple or incredibly quick than that. Which brings us to phase 2, adding the magic layer. So here is exactly how you create that magic layer. First up, pour about 3/4 of your blended base evenly into 4 bowls. Leave that last third right there in the blender and toss in 120 grams of any affordable frozen fruit. A blackberry or bramble mix works perfectly here. Then, whiz it up. If it looks a little too thick, no worries, just add a quick splash of milk. Finally, divide this vibrant new mix into your bowls. See, by holding back a bit of the base, you get this amazing, thick, cold contrast. Then, just take the wrong end of a teaspoon and swirl that colorful middle right through the bowl. It yields this absolutely beautiful pop of magic.
Next up, phase 3, healthy and crunchy toppings. Okay, this is where your everyday cupboard leftovers can completely elevate your morning. Got some odds and ends just sitting at the bottom of a low-sugar cereal box? Throw them in. Crumble them up for a great crunch. Or, if you want a super easy way to sneak some good stuff into your family's diet, just toss on some nuts and seeds. They're packed with fiber. And honestly, my personal favorite, especially as a girl who just absolutely loves a good savory-sweet combo, is a cheeky little teaspoon of peanut butter. That combination gives you this sweet, sour, and just beautiful frumpiness, as Jamie calls it. It just elevates the whole shebang entirely. So when you put all these layers together, the creamy oat base, the vibrant berry swirl, and all those crunchy, varied toppings, you get the ultimate morning swap. You're looking at a breakfast that completely redefines your routine, literally turning it from a boring chore into this incredibly vibrant, nutritional start to your day. I love how Jamie phrases this in the source material. He says, it feels naughty, but it's not naughty. And he's spot on. Because we utilize that frozen fruit, the bowl takes on this incredible, luxurious ice cream thickness. So you literally feel like you're sitting down to an indulgent dessert, but it is actually packed with nutritional goodness, natural sugars, and that amazing slow-release energy we talked about. Honestly, as a girl who loves a smart, healthy kitchen hack, I know for a fact I am never throwing away a brown banana ever again. So the question I leave you with is this. What odds and ends will you rescue from your own cupboard to top your beautiful bowl today? Are you going to stick to the same old boring cereal, or are you ready to start blending? Thanks so much for exploring this explainer with me today, guys. Catch you next time.